If people are watching your live, they're staying, maybe even engaging, but nobody is buying, this is the real reason why. A lot of entrepreneurs go live and think if people are watching, they're eventually going to buy. But then the live ends and nothing happens. No sales, no action, no movement. And it starts to feel very frustrating and even confusing. Watching and buying are two different actions and two different decisions. People don't buy just because they're there. They buy when they understand what to do next and feel ready to do it. I've seen lives where the creator is doing everything right. They're talking, they're engaging, they're helping, but they never clearly connect what they're saying to what they offer. So the viewer enjoys the live, but leaves without taking any action. If there's no clear path from your content to your offer, people aren't going to move. So let me show you how to fix this in a simple way. Don't assume that people know. Say it simply. I help women grow their brand and get more viewers through live content. Now they understand exactly who you help. Clarity removes confusion, and confusion stops sales. Everything that you talk about should lead somewhere. If you're teaching something, show how it connects to what you offer. This is exactly what I help with. Now the viewer sees the path. This is where most entrepreneurs actually stop. They don't guide. You need to say, if you want help with this, here's what to do next. People need some type of direction. If you don't say it, they're not going to guess it. Don't overwhelm them with options. One clear next step. That's it. Too many choices equals no decisions whatsoever. People buy when they trust you, and trust is built when you're clear, you're consistent, and you're helpful. Your live is where that's going to happen. So if people are watching but they're not buying, here's what's really happening. They don't fully understand your offer. They don't see how it connects, and they don't know what to do next. The good news is you don't need more viewers. You just need to guide the viewers that you already have. If you want more strategies like this to help you turn your live viewers into real growth and sales, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thank you, my friends, so much for being here and for watching. I truly appreciate your support. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.